Hello, Professor. This is going to be take two. First attempt, my mic was muted. Okay, so this is going to be the midterm 2, working off of assignment 7. Definitely had some troubles, so I'm going to go over what I did and do and what were some problems that I had. So first thing I'm going to go over is going to be the password, the unique username and password. So my issue I was having this was adding creating the database to where I can save the new usernames to, so that way they can actually register that if they are unique or not. So I've added I've added them entering a username and a password, and then here's my attempt at making the unique and the database to store them in, but I couldn't get that exactly to work the way I wanted to. Let's go to OSN. Next was going to be, this was for the changing the sizes. So for added user, change that to 20, and then for the pages to 10, that's going to change the maximum amount of users to 20, the maximum amount of pages to 10. And the next was going to be the feed. So the feeds get launched right here at the very beginning. If there's no users, it's display there's currently no users. It's always going to do that on the first run because there's not users in it yet. And then it's going to ask you for the profiles you wish to see, and then it's going to display those pages as well. And then if I put in an invalid amount, so 0, it's going to return me back to the menu. And then the very last part is also another part I had trouble with, which was the saving the data. Try to do serialization. Here's what I got for it. I'm gonna make sure to show you everything. So this is the website I used for help. It was geeksforgeeks.org for the serialization in Java. It's kind of what I used as a guide while watching some videos. And so here's going to be for serializing, unserializing the user, and then saving the user and loading it, and then it's supposed to save it to the user file, and then for the page is going to be the page file, and then here's where it prints it, and then here's going to be the page version. Right there, and so it's basically the same as the first one with this page, but I must be implementing something wrong or not having something somewhere because it won't actually print to the page, or it's not saving it to the page. So that's the other main issue I'm having. But despite that, it runs. So let's go ahead and show you what I got. So right here it's going to say that currently there's no feed. Currently no users, so it's not going to do anything for the feed. Let's create a user. First name is going to be Colton. Run. That's one thing I added. I added a proper first and last name. My gender, male, age 22. It's going to ask me to have a unique username. For some odd reason, it automatically kind of skips the first try and it goes to the second try. That's another weird thing. Please enter a unique username. Let's go hippo man and enter a password. Jake47. And then when I'd like to make a post, I'll make a post. Okay. Okay, let's see. Let's check that out right now without stopping the recording. Just make a post you like about a place. Oh, okay, it's display post for some reason instead of create post. Must have changed that on accident. Just change that to new post. Okay, there we go. Let's just go ahead and run it again. Oopsies, boom. Hopperman 22. That's okay. There we go. I love coding. And okay, and then here's going to be the feed type 1. That's going to be the first profile, and there's going to display my information. And then to see the post, there's going to be my post. And then to be done, I'm going to hit 0. And then if I added more users, there'd be more options. Okay, that's going to be everything. And it's terminated.